Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport in bright white. This vehicle does hold up to 5 passengers, so it's perfect for the whole family. Under the hood, we've got a 3.6 liter Pentastar VVT V6 with your 7-slot grille. Beautiful headlights. We've got some tow hooks up here in the front. Taking a look down here, we've got your 20-inch blacked out mud and snow tires, as well as your breakaway side view mirror. Does come with defrost. We've also got this handy side step helping you into the vehicle. There are plenty of more options we can look at inside. Let's hop on in. Hopping into the vehicle, I just wanted to show you guys that they have this neat little compass decal on the front. Very cool. As well as this key fob helping us into the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. Over here, we've got your power locks as well as a little pocket. We've got your black all cloth seating running throughout the vehicle, helping us in here. Gonna hop in. We've got these handy sidebars here helping us in. Perfect for 4x4ing and whatnot as well. Gonna go ahead and turn the vehicle on so you guys can hear it start up. Very nice. This vehicle does only have 2,838 kilometers and a very beautiful visible dash. As well as on the left, we've got your voice recognition. And on the right, we have your cruise control with your leather wrapped steering wheel. Over here at your audio center, we have AM, FM, and Satellite Radio. Sorry. Gonna go ahead and turn it up here. And love is the prize. So wake me up. Goes up pretty loud. As well as we got your voice recognition, got Bluetooth, got a CD player as well. Coming down here, you'll find your directional air vents as well as your power windows. Over here, we've got your AC climate control, keeping you warm in those winter days and hot and cool in those hot summer days. We've got your power windows over here, as well as your traction control, your hazard lights, a 12V DC outlet, a little pocket down here. We've got your gear shifters, two cup holders, sorry. We've got your middle console with some storage, as well as some internal storage with a USB port and a 12V DC outlet. As well as this middle part does lock, which is very handy to have. There is plenty of more options we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Helping us into the back, you can see the door panels are the same. They got this neat little pocket, as well as this little accent feature here. Plenty of foot and headroom in this vehicle, as well as map pockets behind the driver and passenger seat. 2 great cup holders and your buttons for your power windows in the back as well. Let's take a look in the trunk. You can see there is a full-size spare tire here on the back. We've also got a tow hook over here. Let's open it up. Opens up nice and smoothly, very easy, just like that. There is plenty of storage in the back, as you can see, as well as under here we've got a little bit of storage. Under there we've got a hook in each corner of the vehicle as well. Let's go ahead and close the vehicle here, just like that. Very nice. Coming along this side, opening it up, door panel the exact same as the other side, plenty of storage. These back seats do come down as well, just like that, for extra storage space. Come along into the front here. Again, door panel the same. We've got this nice accent feature. We've got the wild boar handle here, as well as a handle here in case you're going 4x4ing. Perfect to have. Your locking front console as well has lots of storage space, as you can see. You've also got this handle here to hold on to if need be. That's it. I'd like to thank you all for taking a look at this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. If you'd like to take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.